Alright, so today we're going to show you how to make my personal favorite, the Sambazon bowl. There's two different kinds of Sambazon you can use. There's the super greens, and then there's the original. We're going to use the original today. This is actually my favorite one. We're going to add banana, blueberry, and strawberry. We're going to slice them up, put them on top, add the finishing touches with the kind snacks, and we should be good to go. So now with our base, we got about a quarter of ice into the blender, a cup of apple juice, and we're going to cut open right now the Sambazon, which is the Açaí that we're going to add to this beautiful mixture. So our next step here, we're going to add in half these bananas. Let's blend this thing up. Now we're ready to pour it in, make a bowl, and add the toppings. And that's how you make a Lutzka Açaí bowl in the morning before you go skate.